Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Honda Civic EX. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 158 horsepower. For wheels we've got 16-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A gray interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our Civic badging. Opening up the tailgate. Set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry. Power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push-start ignition. Dual climate controls. Touchscreen media display, automatic transmission. This Civic has 40,941 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda Civic, check out feldmanimports.com.